Oh, this map?
Yeah, classic one.
Interesting.
Jesus. Jeez.
Oh, come on, stupid creeper! Hit him, not me.
Oh my god, Dak.
Friendly fire, come on.
I had two of them, buddy.
That works.
Look at all this stuff.
Get away from my things. This is not a yard sale.
Yard sale. It's good with the most random funny stuff.
Oh, come on, Bob.
Ow!
Oh,
Hey, you had two of them?
I don't
No,
know what
I
you
had
need,
warts.
Frankly, I don't care.
Oh.
You cannot get your medical supplies.
Oh.
that was a lot of timers.
Oh my gosh. That must have been the super.
Where is my mint Milano?
Dak.
What?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get it. Come on, where are you, Bob? Oh no!
Dak, they said that you sound like an owl.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
You backed right into that.
Ooh.
This
I don't
is
know
so
what you
fun.
need, and
I
frankly,
love this.
I don't care.
Come here, Bob, where are you?
Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh.
Oh! That just missed you.
Sorry about that.
And it did miss me.
Tasty. Nom, nom.
I saw that. I saw that, Bob. Come here, come here, come here.
I don't know what I was thinking that you already had shot yours off already.
I don't know what you need, and frankly,
I
I
was
don't
like-
care.
Come to Papa. What?
You cannot get your medical supplies.
That
Where is my mint Milano?
I could read the serial code on that bomb. That was pretty close.
Dak, you were supposed to die from that.
Aww.
Jeez.
I'm stuck.
guess I did get it. It was a cloak.
Damn you, Dak.
Oh, come on, that was a good one.
Thanks. Ooh,
Jeez.
wow.
Warning, nearing maximum warp velocity.
Bye bye.
I'm coming
Hello.
back.
Wrong number?
I can't allow it.
Elder just camping. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh, of course it drops it.
That's my purse!
Wow, this is fun.
And your ship is so tiny, Dak. It's hard to see it. It's like one of those Ferengi shuttle pods.
You still shot me though. Come on.
Warning, nearing maximum warp velocity.
Okay, that was a good one. Ooh.
Were you saving that for me?
My god. Jeez, you scared me.
You cannot get your medical supplies.
Hey.
That's the crappiest cloak I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Warning, nearing
Oh my
maximum warp
gosh.
velocity.
That time bomb was flying.
Jesus. You moved.
Where is my mint, Milano?
It's over deck. Oh god.
Is it? Is it? Is it, Rob? Not yet. Come on. Where are you?
Jeez. That was straight
Bye,
for
See
Fine.
that.
you. Oh,
No, that's mine.
oh, come on.
Where is my mint, Milano?
You cannot get your medical supplies.
It's over, Dak. Over.
Come here.
Devastator. Yeah.
I don't know what you need, and frankly, I don't care.
Warning. Nearing
Gosh.
maximum warp velocity.
You took all my shields.
Bye bye.
Dak.
I can't allow it.
Oh my god.
Ah, those creepers.
Oh my god, I got two! Two of them in my face.
That's a shame.
I don't know what you need, and frankly, I don't care.
Gee.
One shot warp. One shot. And that's difference.
Oh gosh.
Oh god. Thank goodness. That was close.
Where is my Miss
Oh.
Milano?
Nope.
Nope.
Mine, mine.
Do not read in that! Do not read in that! I love that.
Oh my god.
Didn't even get to see what it was.
I don't even know what it was. Yeah. Who's shooting flares?
I accidentally shot one.
You know, in the new multi-ship, I wonder if they could use the ship explosion as napalm. It kind of looks like fire.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Nice.
Not today, Scooter.
We'll see about that. It is today.
I don't know what you need,
Yes.
and frankly, I don't care.
Oh, I seen that.
Do not read in that! Do not read in that!
Oh god.
Figures.
it.